Hello dear students, today I am going to start the topic types of movements. So types of movement you have already read uh, glide movements, angular movement, flexion, extension, abduction and adduction, circumduction, rotation. So these all movements you have already read and today we have to read about the other movements. So other movements, first of all you have to read about the hyper extension. So hyper extension, this movement axis the extension of the part at joint. So this movement axis extension of the part of the joint, axis extension. So basically you have to understand the axis extension of the part of the any joint is called the hyper extension. Beyond the anatomical positions, bending the head back beyond the upright position. So any in any joint axis extension will be, that is called the hyper extension movement. So I think that you have understood. Second, you have to read about the dorsiflexion. So dorsiflexion, which kinds of movement? Bending the foot at the ankle toward. So bending the foot at the ankle toward the to the chin. So we have to bending the foot at the ankle toward the chin, bending the foot upward. It's called the dorsiflexion. So I think that you have understood, bending the foot at the ankle toward. Clear? Bending the foot at the ankle toward to chin, toward the chin. It is called the dorsiflexion movement. Next, plantar flexion. So plantar flexion, bending the foot at the ankle toward the sole. So bending the foot at the ankle toward the sole, bending the foot downward. So bending the foot downward is called the plantar flexion, and bending the foot upward is called the dorsiflexion. So both are the each other opposites. So bending the foot upward is called dorsiflexion, and bending the foot downward is called plantar flexion. Clear? Now we have to read about the inversion. So inversion, turning the foot so the sole face medially. So turning the foot so the sole is to the sole face is medially is called inversion. So inversion, turning the foot so the sole faces medially is called inversion. So protraction, moving apart forward. So moving apart forward, thrusting the chin forward. So moving any part of the forward is called the protraction. Moving apart forward, any part of the body moving forward is called the protraction. Next, retraction. So retraction, moving apart backward. So any part of the body moving part backward, pulling the chin backward, it is called the retraction. So any part of the body moving backward is called the retraction. Next, elevation. So elevation, raising apart, any part raising, shrinking the shoulders. So raising apart, shrinking the shoulders is called the elevation. So raising apart, and like your hand, you raising up and shrinking the shoulders is called the elevation. Depression, lowering apart, dropping the shoulders. So lowering the part, dropping the shoulders is called the depression. Clear? Next, supination. So turning the hand so the palm is upward or facing anteriorly in anatomical position. So turning the hand so the palm is upward or facing anteriorly is called the supination. Supinal position, you can understand. Pronation, turning the hand so the palm is downward, is facing, is called the pronation. So downward, turning the hand so the palm downward is or facing is pronation. So last, aversion. So turning the foot so the sole face laterally, turning the foot the soul phase is laterally, it's called the aversion. So these are the few movements which are left in first PPT. So today I have revised these all movements. So once again you have to revise what are the movements today you have read about the in other movements: hyperextension, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion, protraction, retraction, elevation, depression, supination, pronation, aversion. So these all movements are very important for a board exam. These kinds of the questions will come for the 1 marks. So you have to revise and learn these all movements of the body, and write notes on a notebook and revise again and again so you can learn. So I think that you have understood the all kinds of movement. Okay, thank you.